DJI Mavic Mini release details. Got that coming up next. Well, DJI is finally releasing a consumer drone in 2019, the DJI Mavic Mini. Now, since the news about the FCC filing broke the other day from Drone DJ, it certainly created quite a stir in the drone community. Now, before I get to the release information, I wanted to clear something up. There was an article today in Digital Camera World entitled DJI Mavic Mini to be announced soon under the name Area. Now, the article is incorrect. Now, I'm going to put a slide up on the screen, as you can see here. In the FCC filing, the drone will be called the DJI Mavic Mini, and you can see that's what it's depicted as in this picture. Camera is 12 megapixels and shoots 4K 30. Now, the release details below were confirmed by my source, and it wasn't this person, and it wasn't that person. So let's go ahead and get to the release details. Now, the release date will be on October 30th, 2019. Now, my guess is, since DJI has been doing what I refer to as soft releases via their website, I see this trend continuing. So my guess would be, and this is just a guess until we get an announcement as far as the time is concerned, would be 9 a.m. Eastern time on Wednesday, October the 30th. But the date is set, October 30th. The weight, it is definitely under 250 grams. This information has been confirmed. Pricing, now it's going to be in the ballpark of 350-ish for the single unit and 450-ish for the Fly More combo. Now, these prices are approximate. They could vary slightly, and they would include the tariff. Now, as far as the remote control is concerned, it's included in the base price. And one of the things that my source wanted to emphasize is, initially, there's going to be limited quantities available. So when this gets released, you're going to need to go out there and, as Marcus would say, hit that buy button as soon as you possibly can. So this is exciting news. And as I get more information, I'll be sure to put out more videos about this. Question of the day: what do you think of the release details for the DJI Mavic Mini? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.